Can you know if someone has blocked you on Instagram? Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can actually know if someone has blocked you on Instagram, however, there might not be a direct hint. So, firstly, what you can do is tap open your Instagram application and tap on the DM section. Always check for the user conversation. If you have been blocked by the user, right over here you will find a notification that you can no longer send message to the person because the user has blocked you on Instagram. However, if the user is not who you interact on the regular basis, you can try to search them in the chat or in the search bar. For that, you can just tap on the search icon, and in the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for the user. Now, if you find every other user instead of the one that you are looking for, that might be also a sign that you have been blocked by the user. The first DM option is the direct way to do so. And no, under no circumstance you can unblock yourself through this user. We hope that you found this informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.